Alright, we just got one more here. Let's do this together, and it's really not too bad. The sandwich shop sells sandwiches for $5 each. So we sell sandwiches for $5 each and bottles of water for $1 each. That's what we need to know. The owner of this shop needs to earn $100 by the end of the day. We're going to write a linear equation that describes the problem, then graph the linear equation. Make sure to label both axes with appropriate titles. Use the graph to determine how many sandwiches the shop must sell with no waters are sold. Alright, so we're going to say dollars per water plus dollars per sandwich equal $100. And maybe we should reverse that since they talk about sandwiches first. So we'll just write it in a different order. So we're gonna say $5 per sandwich. All right. Plus $1 per bottle is equal to $100. Alright, so it's going to take 100 bottles, so I'm going to get this labeled right. So we're going to make this one bottles of H2O. We're going to make this one number of sandwiches. Alright, so if we take 5s plus one bottle and set it equal to $100, right? And then we do this, let's make, well, we're going to make our XS and our Y bottles. So if we do it, right, and we set our bottles equal to, is that right? Our Y's bottle? Yeah, our bottles equal to 0. 5S equals 100. There's 20 sandwiches. So I'm going to come over and put a dot on 20. If we set our sandwiches equal to 0, that means I haven't moved this way at all. I cover sandwiches. That would take 100 bottles. And literally we're done. I plot those 2 points. We got it in standard form. So intercepts are a great way to graph. We've got a line representing all the possibles. And that's it. Finished. Use the graph to determine how many sandwiches if there's no water. So if there's no water, 20 sandwiches. 20 sandwiches if no H2Os are sold. And we're done. Let's look here. How can graphs of real-world functions be used to answer real-world problems? Well, that's a wonderful question. They show a list of all possible answers, and this gets much easier with a graphing calculator. What's the first step in modeling a linear relationship when given limited information? I would say a verbal model, just to think through it. Verbal model. We're done. Alright, I'm going to save this, post it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.